Hi, I'm going to walk you through the different API calls that Teachley is utilizing from Google Classroom and sort of talk a little bit about why we're using those and demonstrate their use. Okay, so we're using /auth/drive to be able to copy documents, presentations, forms from our drive folder into authenticated instructors drive folder, so teachers within our system. These documents sort of are part of a curriculum that the teachers are using. We use /auth/classroom.courses.readonly to import the Google classes so that teachers can assign work to specific classes. We use /auth/classroom.rosters.readonly so that we know how many students are in a Google Classroom. We basically have a separate action for when the classrooms with 0 students, because those teachers need to be able to add the students to their roster. And then we have /auth/classroom.coursework.students, which is we use to allow instructors to create specific assignments within our dashboard. And we do /auth/classroom.announcements to be able to send out announcements for students to sort of, for example, follow a link to a website to complete a task that's outside of the separate from Google. Okay, so let me show you a little bit about how this works. Here I am in my Teachley curriculum dashboard, and I want to be able to add a Google Classroom. Here you can see the client ID of our application. So I'm going to sign in to this test account. I'm getting this message, which is why we're doing this. Advanced, go to Teachley. And you can see that these are the things we're asking. See, edit, create, delete Google Drive, view, manage announcements, manage coursework and grades, view your classroom class rosters, and view your classroom classes. Okay, so I'm going to press allow to that. Great. And so once that's done, I can choose which class I want to connect. I'm going to connect this test class A to my Teachley curriculum. Okay. So once that's done, for example, one of the things that I can do is I can assign this game to all of the students in that class. So I'm going to assign it. I'm going to choose this test class A and assign that work to those students. So I successfully assigned that to the class. So then I go into this test class A, and you can see that just now I assigned this Play Teachley Fractions Boost. Here's a student from the class, and you can see that this morning, let me refresh. Okay. And you can see that this student in this class got this assignment to play Teachley Fractions Boost. Okay, then back in my curriculum, I can also, let's say I'm going to assign this quiz to this group of students, so I'm going to assign that work. Okay, and I successfully assigned that quick check to one of my classes. So I go here, I press refresh, and you can see that I have posted this new assignment, this 3.5 quick check. As a student, I can refresh my view, and I can see that I posted a new assignment, 3.5.quickcheck. And so if I click in there, this is a Google form, little quiz. So I can say test student, which fraction best matches the location of the star. So I know that that's at 1/3. Daisy made this mistake labeling the fraction strip. She should have labeled each piece as a 1/4, and I can submit that work. Okay. And then I'm going to go back to here, and it shows that I turned in this work. I can go back to my class. Okay, and then what happens here is inside your dashboard, we also give teachers the ability to kind of go in and view the responses that students have submitted for that particular, for that particular work. Great. So this copy of this a quick check is in basically the teacher's sort of individual sort of folders drive. And we sort of allow them to sort of come back in, and we can see that this test student solved this problem. Okay, so that's basically the gist of how we're using Google Classroom in this curriculum that we're developing. Thank you so much.